Okay, here's question 14 on the Foundation non-calculator paper. Let's read through this question first. You can use this conversion graph to change between pounds and dollars. So you can use it to change between pounds and dollars. So here we've got dollars, here we've got pounds. Use the conversion graph to change £5 to dollars. Now you can just read this off the graph, but I'm actually going to draw it in. So £5 is over here, and I'm going to take a lot of care drawing this. So there's my £5, and it goes across to $8. Okay, so my answer to part A is $8. Right, let's read through and look at part B. So in part B, what have they said? Ella has $200 and £800. Her hotel bill is $600. Ella pays the bill with $200 and some of the pounds. Use the conversion graph to work out how many pounds she's got left. So you need to work out how much she has left. Okay, so we need to break this down into bits. Ella has $200 and £800. Her hotel bill is $600. She pays with the $200, so the bill costs $600. She's going to pay with $200, so that means she still owes them $400. Now that means I need to change or work out how many pounds this is. I need to change $400 into pounds. So $400 into pounds. Now there's several ways you could do this. You need to turn that into pounds. Okay, as I was saying, there's several ways you can do this. Let's look at what we know so far though. From part A, right, from part A, we know that $8 is £5, right? And we use the conversion graph to do that. Now, what I need to think about is how many times, or how can I times up 8 to make 400? And what I mean by that is, I know 8 times 5 is 40. So times by 5. 8 times 5 is 40. So $40, if I times this by 5 as well, $40 is worth £25. But how can that help me change $400 into pounds? Well, if I times 40 by 10, that's $400. I'll move it up a bit. So $400 is going to be £250. So that gives me my conversion straight away here. $400 is £250. Use the conversion graph to work out how many pounds she has left. Well, she's going to pay $200 and she's going to pay £250 to cover her $600 hotel bill. If she pays £250, how many pounds has she got left? Well, she had 800 to begin with. I'm going to take away £250 from that. So that's 600, £550 is how much she's got left. So the answer, £550. That's how much she has left behind. Now, this is a fairly complicated question, and there are many different ways you could do it. You could actually use other techniques. I used the information from part A to help me multiply this up. And make sure you do understand what I've done here, right? $8 is £5. So if I times both sides by 5, that means $40 is £25. And if I times all of that up by 10 again, that means $400 is 250 pounds, right? So I converted the $400 that she was still owing into pounds. If she paid 250 pounds for the rest of her hotel bill, I need to take that away from 800, and that leaves me 550. It's pretty straightforward when you know how, but go through this several times, break it down, and make sure you understand it.